Hi, this is Joshua Ting, the leader of Group 2, and we're gonna go topic about the excerpt from Filipino Caribbeans against Governor Wood by the Commission on Independence. So, let's begin. So, the introduction of this grievance against Governor Wood. So, in the early 20th century, as the Philippines transition from Spanish rule to American sovereignty, the country experienced significant political and social shifts under American leadership. One prominent figure in this transition was Governor General Leonard Wood, and we're gonna go about him. We're gonna talk about him. A U.S. Army Major General who took office as the Governor General of the Philippines in 1921. However, his tenure was not without controversy. The following is an analysis of the grievance expressed by Filipinos against Governor Wood, highlighted in an excerpt from the Commission on Independence report. So here we go. The Leonard Wood. So who is Leonard Wood and what is her background and role? So Leonard Wood, well respected U.S. Army officer and public official. And after completing his medical studies at Harvard Medical School in 1884, Wood began his military career as a contract surgeon in the U.S. Army. Hmm. His service in the Apache campaign earned him the Medal of Honor, and his military experience continued to shape his later career in 1921. So, President Warren G. Harding appointed him to lead the Wood-Forbes mission to assist the Philippines' readiness for independence. The mission concluded that granting immediate independence would be premature and cautioned that the U.S. should not abandon its responsibility for the Philippines without ensuring proper governance. Following this, Wood was appointed as Governor General of the Philippines, a position he held until his resignation in 1927 due to his health issue. So next. So the Filipino grievance during Wood's rule is while Leonard Wood's administration was intended to help the Philippines transition, it faced several challenges, particularly in the relationship between the American colonial government and Filipino officials. So, the grievance outlined in the report reflect the discontent that many Filipinos felt under Wood's governance. So, yep, next. So, this is the three rules about the Filipino grievance during Wood's rule. One, the authoritarian governance, the limited progress toward independence, and economic issues and social inequality. So, what is authoritarian governance? Many Filipinos viewed Wood leadership style as authoritarian. His military background led him to adopt a strict top-down approach to governance, which limited the autonomy of Filipino leaders. This this heavy-handed approach bred resentment among local officials and the general populace who wanted greater involvement in the decision-making process. 2. Limited progress toward independence. Despite his role in the mission that advocate for gradual path independence, many Filipinos were frustrated with the slow pace of political reform and self-rule under Wood's leadership. The expectation of a quicker transition to independence was unmet, leading to a growing sense of dissatisfaction. And the last one is economic issues and social inequality. So during Wood administration, there were economic challenges, including land issues and social inequality. So many Filipinos felt that Wood policies favored American interests, included American businesses at the expense of the local populations. the perceived lack of focus on the needs of Filipino people lead to widespread criticism. And to this conclusion, he grievance expressed by Filipino during Leonard Wood tenure as Governor General of the Philippines underscore. So, the tension between the American colonial government and aspiration of the Filipino people, his authoritarian style, slow progress toward independence, economic inequality, all contributed to a sense of frustration and disillusionment among the Filipino population. While Hood's administrative talents were recognized, the Filipino desire for self-governance and independence remained a significant issue throughout his time in office. And to summarize this, Leonard Wood, again, a former U.S. Army general and a physician, served, served as Governor General of the Philippines from 1921 to 1927. Despite his administration is marked by Filipino grievance, which include his authoritarian governance that delayed transition to independence and economic issues that favored American interests over local needs. This factor led to growing discontent among Filipinos, highlighting the challenges of colonial rule and the desire for greater self-ruler. And that's it. Thank you.